So here I am, the last night of the cruise, and I am packing to go home. So I have a rolling carry-on, and I have a backpack, and I have my Bob Marley messenger bag. So the messenger bag and the backpack will be my 2 carry-ons, and I'm going to be checking my luggage here. So you see I've got these packing cubes, and you can see you can sort things like bathing suits, and you can have your different clothing, and then any souvenirs, clothes you want to leave out for the next day, medicines. Always double check the cabinets to make sure that you have nothing left in them. Double check your safe. Make sure there's nothing there. So the rest of the packing I have left to do is just going to be folding and putting away the rest of these clothes, which isn't much, but you can see here. And I should have plenty of room. And then always remember to get any toiletries that you have. So you have a whole mirror here that opens up. So that'll all go in my backpack in the morning. Get any essentials from the shower. And there is your tip to packing on the last night of a cruise.